The sun is shining, sparrows are singing, ducks are enjoying. This is the story of a young boy who aspires to pursue studies in computer-related subjects.
Hey Dad, I just want to go to school to study computer-related subjects.
Sure, I'll talk to your mom about it. Hey, our son wants to enroll in school to pursue studies in the computer-related field.
That is fantastic information.
Dad, I need a new laptop as it is necessary.
Our son requires a new laptop for his studies. However, currently, I lack the funds to make the purchase.
Let's visit the bank to secure funds for the laptop, and afterward, we can return to the bank.
Let's head to the store to purchase a new laptop.
Hooray! I've obtained a new laptop.
I will stole his new laptop.
We aim to offer you the most informative videos available. If you encounter any offensive material, kindly leave a comment below.
Subscribe Digi Tech Truck for thrilling and informative content. Reshape your experience.